To do these tricks, you just need simple handwork. For the first trick, this one, all you really need to do is first you have to flick open the lid like that, and when you know that you can just let go and it'll go back by itself, and right before that happens, you need to run your thumb down along the top of there and quickly hit the ignition system. Alright, so just flick it open, bring it back, and light. Okay. Now for the second trick, it's just a series of snaps. Now you need to have the Zippo so that it'll open away from you, like so. So to start, you flick right there at the top, and you spin it so that it's open to you. You flick down the ignition, and then right behind everything, right here, you flick, and it'll close. So, again, point it away, open, spin, flick, so it turns on, flick to close it. One last time. Thanks for watching.